so now the first thing you do is to set up your division. So you write x raised to power 4 minus 4x raised to power 3 plus 12x raised to power 2 minus 3x plus 6. Then you write your x raised to power 2 plus 8 on this side. That's the first step. So now remember, you are going to use the first term. I'm sorry. Sometimes when you pick, this is x raised to power 2, and this is plus 8. Okay, so now when you use what am I writing? X raised to power 2. So you are going to use the first term, and then you first of all attack the rim of the basket, right? By you are doing x raised to power 4 divided by x raised to power 2. That's the first thing you do. And when you make that division, what does it give you? It gives you
X squared.
X squared. So then you write x squared. I mean, you can write x, you just write x squared here. It doesn't matter. X squared. And then you would use your x squared to multiply out everything you have here. So x squared times x squared is still going to give you x raised to power 4, and then x squared what? X squared times 8 is
8x squared.
What?
8x squared.
X squared. Okay. Then, of course, this is plus. So this is plus. Just note that it is plus. It is plus because of this. It is plus. All right.
Because that's where I got confused, because like the examples you gave yesterday, you were like subtracting like the ones directly under them. So like
yes, so it is plus. So it doesn't really matter where you place it. Okay. It is plus. So now, since that is the case, so what you would do is you introduce your negative right here, and this negative will cross out this one. It will cross out this to give you 0 here. And then you bring down your 4x raised to power 3. And then this negative here will change the sign here to be what? Negative. So you are going to have 12x squared minus 8x squared. You are going to have plus 4x squared. Then, of course, you bring down the rest of them. You bring down this one, you bring down this one.
Mr. Kabu?
Yes?
Is there a title for this, or is this just warm up right now?
This is just warm up.
Okay.
The title for the class today is going to be composition of functions.
Okay, thank you.
So the warm up is necessary so that you can consolidate on what you learned, on what the mistake you made, so that you can fix it. That's the whole purpose. Okay? So, you bring down this as negative 3x plus 6. Then you attack the rim again. You know? So you are going to divide 4x raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power 2. So this is going to give us 4x. So we have, it should actually be negative here. So it should actually be negative 4. All right? So we have negative 4x multiplied by negative 4x multiplied by x squared is going to give us what?
Negative 4x cubed.
Exactly. Negative 4x cubed. And then negative, I have to write negative 4x here. So negative 4x multiplied by 8x is going to give us negative something.
32x.
No, you're multiplying. 4 times 8 should be 32. So that should be 32 what?
X.
32x. And it is still negative. Okay, so then you introduce your sign, and then this crosses out, and this turns to positive. So this turns to positive right here. And 32 minus 3 is 29. So you have 29x. You bring this one down. And this is positive this time around. So you bring this one down. And that should be 4x squared. And then you bring this other one down. This is plus 6. And then you just keep going. So you will use this to divide. So you are going to have 4x squared over x squared. So you are left with 4. So you write plus 4. Okay, then you use 4 to multiply out. So you are going to have here 4 times x squared is going to give you 4x squared. And then 4 times 8 is going to give you, I'm sorry, this is supposed to be, okay, 4 times 8 is going to give us 32, right? Plus 32. Plus 32. And then you are left with what? So you are going to be left with, this crosses out. So you bring this one down. You bring it down as in 29x. And then you add this one up. What do you get when you add up?
Negative 26.
Plus, is it 38?
No, that's not right. It's negative 26.
Do we have, yeah, it should be negative because this negative sign changes this. Yes, you're right. Yeah, because the sign inside changes. So it should be negative 26. Negative 26. If you divide again, you will discover that if you divide 29x over x squared, you will see that you are going to have a number like this. Therefore, here is the remainder. The entire of this thing is the remainder. So the solution is supposed to be now. Look at the top. So the solution is supposed to be x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then the remainder is plus 29x minus 6 over x squared plus 8, something like that.
It's 26.
I'm sorry, 26, yes.
Okay, I finished. But Mr. Kigbu,
Yes?
how would you like check your answer with this like fraction remainder?
Okay, you can check your answer. You can check your answer. We can actually do it right now. You can check your answer by multiplying this by this, whatever that gives you, then add the remainder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so just do use distributive property to multiply this one by this. So, and then just simplify whatever that gives you. Once you are correct, whatever that gives you, just add this remainder. And then here's the remainder here. The remainder is this one.